We are currently moving to a new house and it's been a whirlwind of activity. I'm trying to juggle everything, but I know I need to focus on what's most important right now. That means I've had to put my local systems offline for a while. I knew this was going to be a big move, so I planned ahead and took my trading systems offline early. It wasn't an easy decision, but I know it's the right one. I need to make sure everything is in order before I start trading again. It's going to take a few weeks until I can get everything set up again, but I'm looking forward to the break. Sometimes it's smart to take a step back and reevaluate your priorities. Moving is a big change and I want to make sure I'm ready for it. Packing up. Moving is always stressful, but packing up our old house has been especially difficult. We've accumulated so much stuff over the years, and it's hard to decide what to keep and what to get rid of. I've been focusing on packing up the essentials first, the things we'll need right away in our new home. It's a slow process, but we're making progress. Taking a break from trading has actually been helpful during this time. It's given me more time to focus on the move and make sure everything is packed up properly. Settling in. After weeks of packing and moving, we've finally made the first step to our new home. It's been a hectic few weeks, but it already feels good to be there. I'm still taking a break from trading, but I'm starting to get everything set up again as soon as possible. It's a slow process, but I'm taking my time to make sure everything is done right. The break has also given me a chance to explore our new neighborhood. There are so many great people and places to discover, and I'm excited to see what else the area has to offer. Unpacking is always the most daunting part of moving, but we're making progress. It's been fun rediscovering some of the things we packed away weeks ago. I'm still not trading yet, but I'm getting closer. I've been working on setting up my systems and making sure everything is running smoothly. Taking a break from trading has given me a chance to focus on other things too. I've been spending more time with my family and exploring our new neighborhood. It's been a nice change of pace. Moving to a new house is always bittersweet. We're leaving behind memories and familiar surroundings, but we're also starting a new chapter in our lives. I'm excited to start trading again soon, but I'm also grateful for the break. It's given me a chance to recharge and refocus. Our new home is starting to feel like home, and I'm excited to see what the future holds for us here. Looking back, as I compare my new home to the old one, surrounded by boxes and half-unpacked belongings, I can't help but think about the journey that led me here. Taking a break from trading was a difficult decision, but it was the right one. It gave me a chance to focus on what was most important, my family and our new home. Now that we're almost settled in, I'm excited to start trading again. But I'm also grateful for the lessons I learned during this time. Sometimes it's smart to take a break and focus on what really matters. So what do you think about that?